Welcome to the Phone Transformer. In today's video, we'll show you how to turn off Clipboard on Android. Let's get started. Step 1. First things first, open the Settings app on your Android phone. You can find this app on your home screen or in the app drawer. Step 2 now, you might notice there's no direct option to completely turn off the Clipboard feature. Don't worry, just follow the next steps carefully. Step 3. Go back to your home screen and open any messaging app like WhatsApp, Messenger, or even your default SMS app where you can access the keyboard. Step 4. Once the keyboard appears, look for the Clipboard icon, usually found at the top or above the keyboard. Tap on the icon and you'll see all your recently copied text or items listed here. Step 5. To disable the Clipboard feature, simply tap on the toggle button in the Clipboard section. Once you turn it off, your copied items will no longer be saved or displayed. Step 6. If you ever want to enable this feature again, just tap on the toggle button once more and it will be back on. Thanks for watching and please subscribe to the channel.